The mystery of rice water, right? We hear about it a lot. Does it really grow hair? Does it not? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, quarantine edition. No, I'm kidding. Welcome back. So today I was thinking of taking off this wig and actually washing my hair under because my hair is looking a little crazy. It's time for a wash, and I thought it's easier to record a video when you really have to wash your hair, unless you're frustrated. But it is kind of easier because the process has to be done anyway. So I'm just gonna drop the camera wherever I can as I'm doing what I need to do, and then you can get it to see my wash routine, well, wash day. And today is very special. Sorry, I keep looking at myself. I'm not that vain. I just want to make sure it's in focus. But what I keep telling myself is I'm gonna do a twist out, I'm gonna do a twist out, I'm gonna do a twist out. I'm excited to wash it. Honestly, there's nothing as a dark-skinned woman, kinky hair, when you can finally just, you know, just like scrub your scalp properly, because we love the wigs and everything, but honey, there's nothing like a hairdresser your own just scrubbing your scalp. So I'm mainly excited for that, but the rest, not really. The detangling, the this, the that, it's really a lot of work, and I always like respect anyone who just doesn't want to do natural, because like it is work. You don't have to overdo it with your hair, but just the managing and stuff is quite some work. So I don't blame anyone, but this is why we love, you know, the wig industry. I mean the wig lifestyle rather. I'm actually gonna do a twist out for the first time, I think, in probably over a year and a half or two. So it's been a very, very long time. I usually leave my hair out with its curls and like put like a curl enhancer or something, like an actual twist out like that. Like, girl, who has the time? But can I just do a little quick rant though? Can we talk about twist outs? Because I think twist outs are disloyal. I think twist outs literally are not reliable. I feel like twist out is like the bad boyfriend that keeps cheating, keeps running back to you when he feels like it, or the ex that's coming back during quarantine and wants to check up on you. Like, that's what twist outs are for me. Like, you never know what you're gonna get. I don't care who says what. If your hair feels like being some type of way, even with the same products, it's not gonna come out the same way. If you change one product, it fumbles all your bags. So like, I'm just always skeptical of twist outs, and I just don't expect much. Okay. Anyone who wants to retry a twist out, quarantine is the time. This video is gonna be a little jam-packed, but I felt like it would be a nice full video. Maybe I'll cut it, but maybe not. My rice water is inside. So here I have the basmati rice, my glass bowl, and my strainer as well, and the lid. So I put in my basmati rice from the package. I really measure it by eye, no specific measurement. More is better anyway. And then I add some more. I wasn't too sure about the measurement again. So here my rice is there, and then I just add some water. So I try to wash it at least twice, because commercial rice packaging usually has quite some dirt, so it's good to at least give it 2 good washes before you actually put the water in that you want to keep in the glass bowl. So here I am straining it as I'm cleaning it, washing it a second time. Twirl, twirl, twirl. And then I added more. I think I wasn't too sure, and I just wanted to make sure I had enough rice water rather than less. So here I am actually adding the actual water I want to keep in the lid, and I put it up to the top of the glass bowl, and I'm just closing it now. I actually forgot that you could also put some peppermint to cancel out the rice water smell after 24 hours. It can smell kind of funky, so you can either put peppermint oil
24 hours later, and you can see I sealed it with some plastic on top just to make sure. And here's the water. You can see it's well fermented. It sort of looks cooked, kind of. So here I'm just straining the water into a bowl just to keep that water that I actually want to use, and I threw away the rice. And here's my rice water, guys. And then I'm just putting it into all my spray bottles, just to have it in there and make it easier to soak into my hair.
Okay, so we've taken out the braids. This is kind of cute. I almost don't want to wash this.
Okay, so here I was just doing a length check because obviously we want to see if the rice water does grow your hair at least a few inches. My mom came in just to help me measure the longest strand behind so I can have it as a reference. She's just checking it right now, making sure the measurement is right, and it comes to 40 centimeters, which is about 16 inches. I also decided to measure my longest strand in front, which was about 43 centimeters, 17 inches. Now I'm just soaking in the rice water all in my hair, well inside. You know that kinky hair sometimes be bugging.
So I'm back basically an hour and a half later. So you'll see a little snippet video that I filmed because my camera battery died. So I inserted the rice water. I let it sit in my sort of makeshift air dryer so that it soaks it into my scalp. Rinsed it. Then did a quick shampoo and conditioner. I'll insert them in a B-roll. And then when I was done, I rinsed my hair and my scalp was nice and clean. I use microfiber towels, so I try and not use regular towels for my hair, and it really dries it nicely and it doesn't like make it like rough and frizzy. So that's the most important thing. So now obviously the rice water part is done, so we'll obviously see the results in a couple of days, hopefully, if they are any. But now I'm just gonna try and do a twist out. Cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you. Okay, so I'll start with the back because my hair is kinkier at the back, and I just want to make sure it's not extremely dry and hard to like part and stuff. So I start with my most kinky section. So I have here some lukewarm water and some jojoba oil, some jojoba oil, just to give it a bit of moisture again. I spritz it just a little bit, just so that I can detangle it. I use this wet detangler, that's really nice. Some people start from the ends up. I'm not too fussed about it. Do whatever works for your hair, but I tend to start from down up, but sometimes I do up down. So to do the twist out, I use a sort of serum, so oil, and then a gel. So I have this Unjacki's vitamin E and flaxseed nourishing scalp remedy, but it's nourishment for braids, locks, twists, coils, and chronically dry scalp and hair. It has coconut, shea butter, and olive oil. Here we go. It's for the kids one, but I love kids products. That's another thing, guys. Kids products are nice. Don't get it twisted. And then I have another Unjacki's, which is the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gelée. So for natural curls, coils, and waves, enriched with coconut oil. Sulfate-free, paraben-free, the whole good stuff. It's so good. It works really well. Another product that I actually really like that I'm gonna use, it's a raw shea butter extra moisture detangler with sea kelp and argan oil. It's from Shea Moisture. Perfect. This one. And then I do have a leave-in, don't know if I'll put it in, but it's also a Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So it has shea butter, peppermint. Y'all know I love peppermint and keratin. Here we go. With the extra moisture detangler, put a little bit in my hair with the water that I just put in. I spray the oil. And I'm not kidding when I say I love this product. I literally am almost done. If you can see. So I sort of just massage the gel in, and literally it's gonna like wake up any sort of curl pattern or just like wave that you have. I don't know if you can see this sort of curl pattern. Yeah, just like really boosts your hair. It's really nice. Here we go. Part it in two, like this. Massage it in, and then a regular twist out. Just twist my hair. Try and keep it nice and tight. And voila! Nothing incredible. Yeah, not bad. I'm back, y'all. It is what time? 9:52. I have finally finished my twist outs. They look really neat. I really did that. I'm really proud of myself. It's all finger parted because I was just lazy to do the whole comb thing, but I did detangle my hair. And yeah, so we shall put a silk scarf on. I do have a silk pillowcase, but still I don't want the product to like go all over the pillowcase. So I will put a silk scarf. I don't know if I should tie it. Should I tie it? Maybe I should. Oh my god, this is cute. I'm tired. I have a lot to clean right now and I need to go to bed. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I know I said 24 hours later I will show my twist out. Listen, it's quarantine, so no one is actually really looking at me, and it took time for my braids to really dry out. Don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, and I was kind of enjoying the no care of it. So here we are. We are gonna take out this twist out. What am I gonna listen to? This is my favorite now. If you know this song, then you know. Hey, hey, hey. It's pretty good. After such a long time not doing it, it's really nice, and it stretched my hair in a really nice way too. I'm gonna try something else because I like to like make a fake fringe. So what I tend to do, because actually my longest strands, funny enough, some people it depends. Their longest strands, because we know we have different textures, especially us black girls, we have like different textures around our hair. It's very rare that you'll see someone with a full 4B or 4C only, or whatever those types are called, you know, 18A or whatever. But a lot of us have different textures around, shrinkage more on one side to the other. So some people it's like kinkier here and then looser curls here. Some it's kinkier at the back and looser here. So mine is actually kinkier at the back and looser in front, which means that my strands are a bit longer here. So even if they are longer, I tend to like trick a little for doing a fringe with kinky hair. I sort of push it back, and because everything is kinky, it doesn't really look like anything. And I try and see like where I would want my fringe to start. And then bobby pins are obviously your best friend. And I just bobby pin it all around for it to stick. Obviously, look at that. Already I feel like it looks better. Not that it looks better, but just has more like pizzazz. So I'm just clicking the bobby pins where I pulled my hair back, and that's been my trick forever. People always say, oh, did you cut your hair? And I'm like, nah sis, I literally just pulled it back, and then if I wanted, you know, middle part again, I can do that. But right now I just feel like See what I mean? So it's a little, and voila! You can add more hair if you want to, or like pull the strands a little more so that there's more volume. But yeah, this is it, y'all. See what I did there? This one is quite long still, but I don't really mind it. Voila! And just like that, it looks like you have a fringe. Voila, guys. So this is the end of this whole rice water challenge thing. So obviously this is part 1. This is the first week that I'm filming my experience with it. It's definitely made my hair really much softer. Usually when I do twist outs, despite the oils and stuff I use, there's something a little more coarsey about it. But right now it feels really soft. It was super easy to manage also for the twist outs, detangling and stuff. So I think that has that one benefit. Growth, we will see. Part 2 will either come next week or the week after, just depending on how life goes and if I feel like it's worth checking my hair just a week after. I feel like I need to give it a good 2 weeks. But I'll wash it again with the rice water. Maybe I'll film myself week 2 just washing it and doing the rice water again, and then I'll do a full video week 3 to see if there's some growth, because I think in 3 weeks you can see a probable difference in that case, whether that's even little growth or just see how my hair feels after like at least 3 usages. Yeah, so this is it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't do any makeup or anything. My lips are dry, but we're talking about hair today, so who cares? But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you follow the journey. I love watching other people's rice water challenges or see what their take is on. Obviously, you know, I'm no hair expert or whatever that is called, but I think it's cool to see just regular people trying, like, you know, trendy or social media, you know, trends or whatever, or even just things that seem like myths but have helped some people. I think it's all bound to be helpful to watch, especially when it's not like inaccessible people. So yeah, guys, comment and subscribe, and see y'all in the next video. Bye. How can I explain myself? So for y'all to cut up to you. Yeah, everybody get your